In this time of uncertainty, many have questions about their own personal economies, anything from finding a job to unemployment benefits, and we would like to help during this time of crisis.
So we asked you to send in your question for Richard Labors from New Hampshire Employment Security. He joins us now live for a question and answer session.
That's right, and he is social distancing as we are here at WMUR. And now let's get to some of the more than 500 questions that we have received. Thank you so much again for your time.
Yeah, thank you for having me in.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Let's get right to it. Gary is asking the question that we get most often right now. And he says, when will the $600 in unemployment benefits from the federal government, when will that be issued? And is it retroactive to the week of March 29th?
All right, so let's get at the important part of that question. Yes, it is retroactive to the week ending April 4th. Granite Staters can expect to start seeing that $600 in their checks that are issued after April 22nd. The difficult thing for New Hampshire right now, as a lot of states, is we're still learning some of the rules from the federal government as to how those benefits are being required to be paid out to who and to at what frequency. We're still waiting for some questions to be answered, but folks can rest assured that those payments are going to be in their checks as soon as those that are issued after April 22nd. And then for all weeks prior to that, going all the way back to week ending April 4th, we will be catching up with all of those individuals that filed claims for those weeks and are eligible for that $600 UI plus payment that came with the Federal CARES Act.
Now, the last time that you were here, you said the benefit would start showing up this week. So why the delay?
Part of that, again, is we are in the process of learning some of the rules as we go along. We had hoped that we would have all of those guidelines from the federal government. We had hoped that all of our questions would be answered. That hasn't happened. Understandably so, the federal government, through the U.S. Department of Labor, is being asked to answer a lot of questions from states. We are still seeking guidance, waiting for questions to be answered. That programming is a complicated component that needs to get done. We are working around the clock to make sure it is programmed correctly, that it is tested thoroughly, and is paid as soon as we can with the proper integrity safeguards in place.
Donna asks, what exactly is required for the extra $600, and is this a one-time payment or will this be monthly?
So as long as an individual is eligible for either state unemployment, federal unemployment, as long as they're eligible for any benefit, whether it be their full benefit or a partial benefit, they also get the entire $600 without it being prorated or reduced. So for someone that qualifies for that maximum benefit here in New Hampshire of $427 a week, they would also get $600 added to that payment. That is through the Federal CARES Act that was enacted on the 27th. While we still are waiting for guidance from the federal government, we are working to get that so it's up and running on checks that issue after the 22nd. And those payments will go with each week that goes out, with each payment going through July 31st.
Lori wonders, my coworkers and I are healthcare workers, but our hours have been cut. We exceed the earnings for unemployment, but we're told to file to be eligible for the $600. Now, I'm reading not everyone will get it. Who is eligible for this money?
Anyone that has a benefit, either state benefit or federal benefit. So if someone is working part-time hours, remember, if you're working full-time hours in New Hampshire, you're not eligible for unemployment benefits. But we encourage part-time employment. So those individuals that are working part-time earnings, they could still have eligibility. They need to file. They need to tell us what their hours and earnings are. And you are allowed to earn up to 30% of your weekly benefit amount before having a penalty and before it starts to reduce your benefit amount. Also, employers should really be taking advantage of our WorkShare program. They can go onto our website at www.nhes.nh.gov. They can learn about WorkShare, which allows them to partially reduce the hours of their workforce, keep them employed. Workers keep their health insurance. We pay partial unemployment to them, and they get the entire $600.
All right, don't go anywhere, Rich. We will be right back with more questions after the break.